Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cash stuffing my savings challenges. So let's count out how much we're going to be putting in here. So we have 100, 200, 300. Can you guys see that? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, they're not in order. Okay. So that was 300, right? 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So 465 we are going to be cash stuffing today. And I have a little update for you guys. All right, for my gold digger challenge, how much were we supposed to put in? That's 120, 150. So 150. So here's 100. 20, 40, 45, and 50. My little update was me and my fiance, we do some really off the wall stuff. Some stuff that people are like, you guys are not normal. Have you guys seen the documentary Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead? I think I've talked about it before on one of my videos, like way back when I started. So Gold Digger Challenge now has 1,000, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. Oh my God. Let's recount that. That was not in order. So 1,000, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 5, and 10. So 310. So 1,310. So my fiance, I showed it to her and we were watching it and she was like, let's do it. Let's just start juicing. And I was like, yeah, I'm so down to start juicing. So we went to the farmer's market and we bought all these vegetables to start juicing. And we're supposed to start juicing, I believe, on Monday. We're going to completely juice for 2 weeks and we're not going to eat anything. We're just going to be drinking these vegetable juices because, you guys, I've had a juicer since I want to say 9 years ago when me and my friend tried it. And I did it for 2 weeks and I lost a lot of weight. So my fiance was like, why don't we do it? And I was like, yeah, let's do it. So we kind of got the crazy idea to start juicing. So we have all these vegetables in the kitchen. We don't even have room in our fridge for them. They're all over the kitchen. And I was like so excited and everything. We were supposed to start yesterday, but she drank her first juice. And then by maybe 2 hours later, she was already hungry again. And I was like, drink another juice. And she was like, okay. So she drank another juice. And then 2 hours later, she was hungry. She goes, I'm going to be hungry. I was like, I know, I'm sorry. This is how it is. We got to detox. This is detoxing our body. But she was like, maybe not. Let's start on Monday. I was like, okay. So plan is to start on Monday. I'll let you guys know how it goes. But if you guys haven't seen that documentary, go watch it. Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. There's 2 of them. And yeah, it's a really good documentary, you guys. Okay, let's scratch this one. So that's 60. I'm going to try to get to at least 100. And this one, oh, exactly 100. Okay. Okay, 60 and 40. So that's 100. So we're going to leave it at that. I also want to give a shout out to the person who ordered 20 of my scratch off challenges. You are a real one because they ordered, I believe, every scratch off challenge that is available in my Etsy shop. And every denomination. It was 5 of each one. And there was a 1K, a 2K, a 10K, a 15K. Every denomination. I was like, yep, that is it. Hope you guys have fun scratching because I love scratching. Especially when it's saving and scratching. Oh, my goodness. All right, so on this one we have a 55 and a 45, so that is 100 plus a 45 is 145. So 100, 20, 40, 5. I'm so sorry if I get out of breath, you guys, because I'm still not 100% better. But I don't think I did that right. Okay, so the mystery challenge has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 455. And the mystery challenge that I'm doing is the medium mystery challenge. I have, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the medium. It's upside down. That is the medium mystery challenge. I have these on my Etsy shop. I have an easy, medium, and hard. These are mystery challenges because you don't know exactly how much you're saving. You find out at the end, and you are just as surprised as everyone else. So there's 55, 45, and the other 45. All right, let's scratch off. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Okay, let's scratch off this one. I'm going to get close to 100 as much as I can. 40. 40. 80. And 50. So that is $130. Okay. 40, 80. Yep, 130. So the next time I will be saving $130. And now the Pink X budgets. So here it says 170. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. So now we have 1,000 in the bank. 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. Excuse me, guys. I don't even know what I said. 1,000, 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. So 1,387. Okay, and on this one, I am only scratching one because these denominations are kind of huge. I love it, though. I love it. Don't you guys love when they okay, maybe you guys don't. But I love when the denominations are huge and you feel like you're making progress, like, very fast. Yeah, that's me. That's me. And just my opinion, you guys. Don't come for me. Just my opinion. I like when savings challenges are more than like 1,000, more than 2,000, because I feel like I need something to actually push me and challenge me to save money, if that makes any sense. So just my opinion, you guys. All right, so let's do this one. 135. Okay, we could do 135. Do you guys see that? 135. All right, so that is it for my savings challenge, you guys. For my gold digger challenge, we are gonna do $100. For my mystery challenge, we are gonna do 130, and then for my diamond challenge, I'm gonna do 135. So that is it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.